Experience the ease of operation & maintenance with Linepro's membrane keyboard.
Linepro is the leading manufacturer of membrane keyboards. Keeping health and hygiene on priority, Linepro truly recommends the use of membrane keyboard in medical instruments due to the following benefits. It is completely sealed and easy to clean, which makes it dust-proof and waterproof. It is protected against UV rays, which makes it best suit for X-ray machine, scanning machines, etc. It is made up of antibacterial material which prevents patients, nurses and doctors from infection. Let's have a look of how Linepro's quality department effectively checks every single key to ensure successful working of Linepro's membrane keyboard.
स्विच होती तेव्हा कीबोर्ड आणि स्विच दोन्ही लागतात. आता कीबोर्ड
Application of this membrane keyboard is emergency head-down bed. Membrane keyboard can be used as man and machine interface in all medical instruments, as medical devices used in hospitals and other health environments require safe overlays for operation. One can choose materials which are antimicrobial and perfect for these environments, as hygiene is foremost important in hospitals and other health environment.